Hello, welcome to episode 17 of Green Regimen. Today, we will introduce the nature and flavor of Japonica rice, its functions and effects, and dietary therapy recipes. Nature and flavor of Japonica rice. Japonica rice has a sweet taste, with a slight bitterness, and it is considered neutral and non-toxic. Functions of Japonica rice. Japonica rice can invigorate the spleen and stomach, relieve restlessness, and quench thirst. It can replenish the body's energy, regulate gastrointestinal function, alleviate anxiety and restlessness, and relieve thirst and heat. Auxiliary treatment with Japonica rice. Japonica rice has certain effectiveness in auxiliary treatment. It can be used to treat cholera, vomiting, heartache, heat toxin diarrhea, and the initial symptoms of a cold. Dietary therapy recipes with Japonica rice. Cholera and vomiting. Grind Japonica rice into powder and combine with fresh bamboo shavings for a single dose. Heartache, thirst, heat toxin diarrhea. Drink white Japonica rice juice. Initial cold symptoms. Boil raw Japonica rice with gypsum powder in water. Drink it while hot. Infants within the first 3 days of birth. To aid digestion, you can cook Japonica rice to a thick consistency, similar to yogurt, and supply it to infants in divided portions daily.